Hello everyone, welcome again to Guarantee RV here in Junction City. I'm here to show you a brand new to us, again we've gotten so many trades this year, a 2015 Winnebago Journey 42-foot diesel. Beautiful coach. I have to just go inside and tell you about it. When you come inside, the first thing you'll notice is this spacious cockpit. All of the great room that you have here, comfortable chair for the passenger and the driver. And then walking into this spacious double slides opposing, making this almost a dance floor if you decide to have a square dance night in your motorhome. Off to my left is a beautiful fireplace, a large flat screen TV, easy chair for your special person, and great little footstool over here for your guests on the couch, which could also double as a tabletop. Thank you, Winnebago. Beautiful coach. What an excellent kitchen galley. Massive, just so massive room here in the kitchen. You've got drawers for storage. You also have a pull-out extra countertop, if for nothing else, just to leave some of your chips and dip out here for your guests. A convenient convection microwave. It looks to me like that's never been used. It's beautiful. And over to the side of the dinette, you've got a table that will extend with 2 extra chairs. You could easily, comfortably sit 4 people, and your 3-door residential refrigerator. So much storage. A very nice sized guest bathroom with a porcelain toilet. Lots of space in there for towels and storage, and forgot about the towel. Your control center. A really nice lighted separation door. Gives you this privacy, yet it gives you light so that you don't feel closed in. And a bed that you can sit up if you need to, want to, and watch some TV. Lots of deep and spacious drawers. Also tall closets for lots of clothing, hanging space for both partners. And into the rear bathroom, we've got another, I gotta get out of the way over here, spacious room, washer and dryer stackable, not even a combo. You've got to come and see this beautiful coach. I'm pretty sure we have it priced to sell. So come on out and let's take a look at some of the storage inside. This is one of the best features, and if you've been watching a lot of videos, you probably already know there's a lot of storage inside these diesel pushers and these 42-footers. But look at this great pass-through tray. It is ginormous, and you've got storage underneath as well. Some of the just great things that they've built into this Journey. And when we walk towards the back, you're going to notice that you've got a full awning on this passenger side, and you've got all that awning topper. It's just massive. In the back here, we've got an access ladder, a rear view camera, of course, and this little guy is a 400 horsepower diesel pusher. So come on in and take it for a test drive. I think you're going to like all the comforts and beauty in this unit. My name's Teresa, and I hope you will reach me at the numbers listed below, and I look forward to going on that test drive. Thank you so much.